Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll tell you a simple home remedy to grow hair naturally and to stop hair fall in an effective way. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. Now let's get on to the video. For this you will need only one ingredient, but this ingredient is packed with all the nutrients required for hair growth. And that ingredient is guava leaves. In a vessel, boil 1 liter of water. In that, put 20 to 25 guava leaves. Boil it in low flame for 20 minutes. Guava leaves is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that helps to boost hair growth and stop hair fall. The color of the water will change. Now turn off the gas and allow it to cool. After 10 minutes, strain the leaves and water. Put the water in a spray bottle and spray it all over your hair. Grind the leaves into a smooth paste and apply it on clean hair as a hair pack for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash the hair with regular shampoo. You can repeat this 3 times a month for best results. Thank you for watching the video, friends. If you like this video, please click the like button and share this video with your friends. If you have any questions regarding this recipe, please ask them in the comment box below. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Take care.